Okay, so it is really early right now, but I need to get my serger cleaned out. It's actually 6 a.m. and so I have a tiny bit of time to sew. So I'm just gonna clean out my serger and see what I can get done within an hour. So for right now, I'm just going to finish the hem on this knitted dress that I am making for my little one. So I'm just going to finish the bottom. This is knit, and so I'm just going to put my walking foot on and just do fold it in and just hem it. So nothing fancy. And now I am hemming this raglan top. I'm gonna wear this to Lagoon today, so I only have a couple of minutes to hurry and hem this. And already change of plans. I actually wore my yellow shirt that I made a few months back to Lagoon. And yes, we had so much fun at Lagoon, so many laughs and smiles, and we were there for 10 hours. Good morning. I am now just kind of flipping through my YouTube and checking out all the different Friday sews. And this is Kim Gaddy's channel. And I just fell in love with this shirt. She made it with Alexander Henry shirt. And so now I am wanting to just run to Joann's and get me some Halloween fabric. Look at that, it's so cute. And so I'm just gonna, you can go ahead and click on her channel. I'll put it's Kim Gaddy. And I'm actually going to go to Joann's this morning and pick out some fabric, even though it won't be as cute as that one. I'm just going to go pick out some fabric and use just an everyday shirt pattern to make me just a cute shirt to wear to work for Halloween. Okay, so I finally have some of my makeup on. My hair's not done. I don't think you'll see me without makeup. I don't think we are that far in our relationship for me to show you what I look like without any makeup, but I don't have my lips on yet, so I'm just gonna do this really quick. Okay, that is what I take after my mom. I always have to have lips on. Okay, so for today, I gotta put my hair down and everything, and I will be right back. Okay, so for today, well, I'm just gonna straighten my hair. Actually, I use this wand to curl my hair. I don't know if you guys care about this at all. Okay, so for today, I have 2 dresses that I need to hem. And then I also have to go to Joann's and pick up, excuse me, some Halloween fabric, because there's that really cute shirt that I want to make. I'm actually probably just going to do curbside pickup so that I can get that extra 25% off. I have a Joann's that's just like 15 minutes from here. Well, maybe it's like 10 minutes from here that I'll just go to, and I'll just pick up that fabric and get that extra 25% off. And then I have 2 dresses that I just need to hem the bottom of it. So I'm going to do that. And then, of course, I have lots of housework to do because yesterday we went to lagoon. And so I didn't get a lot of stuff done. So I do have a lot of hair, but it does not take me a long time at all, I don't think, to do it. I just use this straightener. And honestly, sometimes if I'm just, getting ready to shoot a video, sometimes I don't even curl the back of it. So, but I'm just gonna do it. Today I'm doing the whole shebang. So another reason why I'm gonna do this Vlogtober for the month of October is because my month is really busy. I have a little one, and so October in the fall is just so much fun for them to do activities, and the weather is a lot cooler, so we can get outside and do a lot more things and, carve pumpkins and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna have a ton of time to sew, but, sewing is my life as well. So I definitely am gonna do some sewing, here and there. But so that's why I decided to do the Vlogtober, and then just let me know how you like it. If you guys don't care to watch it, then I won't do them. Okay, so now my hair is done. That did not take long at all. Okay, I will go and get the dresses. So I have this dress right here. It's the Tresbel dress. I made it a while ago, and it's made of French terry. And so I never wore it in the summer. I don't know why, but I want to wear it in the fall with some jeans. So I'm going to cut it to like a tunic length, and so it looks like a cute peplum top. So I need to trim it and just hem the bottoms. And so that's what I'm going to do today, because I want to wear this to work this week. And then I also finished this other dress, which I didn't show you guys yet. But look at how cute the sleeves are. Don't worry, I will show you. It might even be further on in this video or another video. I don't know yet, but I just need to finish the bottom. So it's got the 2 tiers. I need to finish the bottom, and I'm just going to use my rolled hem foot and just get it done really, really quickly. So that's what I'm going to do here really quick. So I'll see you at the sewing machine. But first, we have bacon.
Sorry guys, we don't have Matt Thomas, but we do have Delilah. We do have Delilah Jr.
That is my little one. She is always just fun and very vibrant. But now here I am at my sewing machine. I finally have a minute to sit down and hem my dress. This is the Tresbel dress that I'm working on. So I got the hemming done on my dress that I'm going to wear tomorrow. I was supposed to go to Joann's today. Well, I was going to do the curbside pickup, but they didn't have the fabric that I wanted. And so I decided I'm just not going to go to Joann's and get the fabric, because I'm not going to have time to make the shirt this week anyways. So this is all I have time to do for tonight. And then I will see you tomorrow, and I will try on the dress hopefully tomorrow so that you can see what it looks like as a shorter version. So good night, guys. And right here, this is a picture, kind of an awkward picture, like, I didn't have a lot of time today because I did have to work. So yeah, here's my awkward picture in Joann's that I took. And I really was thinking that I'm going to wear this shirt with some different leggings that I had. They're like a maroon color, but when I tried them on, they did not match at all. So I ended up wearing them with these denim jeans. And so, yes, if I'm gonna wear them with jeans, I do need to cut them a little bit shorter, so it'll be like a peplum top. So yeah, I'm gonna be cutting that a little bit shorter. Okay, so now it is later in the day and I'm kind of tired because I've been at work, but I am going to try to finish the hem on this dress that I told you about the other day. So, oh, and I also, because the fabric wasn't available at Joann's yesterday, I went there today and they're all out of their Halloween fabric. So they had like maybe one thing left. So I ended up going on Etsy and let me show you what I ordered. It should be here in about like 3 days. And so I got this art gallery print. It's like a black and it's got the pink pumpkins. So I'm so excited because I have a pattern that, well, I haven't decided. There's a couple of different patterns that I think will work out great with this print. Actually, let me grab those patterns really quick. Okay, so that fabric that I got is like a quilter's cotton. It's an art gallery cotton. It's really pretty. So I'm thinking Simplicity 8987 because this one does say fabrics to use, like cotton types, crepe, double knit, linen types, poplin, shirtings, you know, blah, blah. This one is one that I've done before, and I think this one will be really cute as well because, you know, it doesn't have anything to distract the pattern right here. And this one I know is a really good one. I've done this one before. And let me see if I can find the different shirtings. So it says crepe, charmeuse, crepe, dish. Oh, I don't know how to say that. And then a lawn type fabric, but you know, whereas it's not knits, I think this one will work as well. So I'm going to have these ready for when my fabric comes in the mail. Okay, so I actually have some laundry that I need to get to and some dishes, and I am just really tired from work. So I'm not going to be able to finish the hem on this tonight, but I might be able to tomorrow night. And I am actually going to need to wrap up this blog here shortly. So hang tight. I'm going to do one more day of vlogging. And also, if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, so today is the last day of my vlog. And I'm just doing a sneak clip right here because it's kind of echoey. Okay, so right now I am just working on editing my video, but I want to show you guys how pretty this backdrop is. But look at how pretty this backdrop is. That's just a painting that they have on the wall. So I just want to thank you for watching. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this vlog. I'm sorry if I'm kind of awkward. I'm just not in my sewing room. So, you know, I'm not really in my element. So I apologize for that. On Friday for Friday Sews. So thank you for watching. And until next time, happy sewing. Bye guys.